What's up guys? Happy Valentine's Day. I'm such a huge fan of Valentine's Day. It's such a cute holiday that gives you all the excuses to shower yourself and your loved ones with lots of love. The fact that chocolate is involved is also a huge plus for me as well. Today I wanted to share with you a delicious Valentine's Day classic recipe that I'm going to healthify just a little bit. I want to show you how I make these beautiful chocolate covered strawberries that are so easy to make and require little effort. My inspiration for this recipe came from my trip to the grocery store this morning. At my local grocery store, they were selling 4 chocolate covered strawberries for $20, you guys. That's $5 a strawberry. And if this recipe wasn't as simple as I'm about to show you, I would say go ahead and spend that $20 on your loved one. But because chocolate covered strawberries are so easy to make, I want to save you a few bucks and calories with my healthified version. So all you need are a few simple ingredients and you can totally customize these strawberries to your liking. Today I'm using organic fresh strawberries, some dark chocolate chips from Lily's, and a few toppings to make the strawberries extra festive. I'm using some unsweetened shredded coconut and some chopped up hazelnuts. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by washing our strawberries and making sure they're super dry. I let mine sit here and air dry for about 10 minutes. This is a really important step because if your strawberries are wet while you're dipping them into the chocolate isn't going to stick well. Next, we're gonna poke toothpicks into the stems of the strawberry to allow us to hold the strawberry without making a mess. Next, we're going to melt our chocolate chips. I'm using Lily's dark chocolate chips. I love Lily's because their chocolate is sweetened with stevia and it's lower in calories compared to a lot of the other brands out there. So to melt the chocolate, we're going to either melt it in the microwave or make a double boiler like I'm doing here. You want to also add a little coconut oil to help your chocolate get extra smooth. Next, while the chocolate is hot, you want to dip your strawberries in and add the toppings you like as well. You have to work pretty quickly here so your chocolate doesn't cool down. Okay, so lastly, you want to freeze your strawberries until the chocolate hardens. This should take around 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it guys, you have delicious chocolate covered strawberries ready to enjoy. These are the perfect gift for that special someone in your life or the perfect little dessert you can make for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe. The full recipe is going to be up on my blog, cheffatkitchen.com. Enjoy the day you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.